Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Temu haul. But before we get into the haul, I did want to mention that I have a 30% off code for you guys. I'm not sponsored, but I do love a good deal. So if you download the app, as soon as you download it, you want to go up here to the search bar and put in my code. That's going to be linked below. And you're going to get 30% off, as you can see in the very top left corner. I am not qualified because it is my code, but you guys will get that 30% off. Plus, right now they're doing free shipping and they have lightning deals, and they have a all under $1 section, which is where I shopped most of my stuff from. So it's really cool. You can save a lot of money if you're a crafter like me, so definitely check it out. And if you're not a new user, I do have a few codes down below that you can use as well. So let's get into the haul. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Temu haul. Now this is part one. There's a mixture of items from craft supplies, silicone molds, nail art, jewelry, you name it, it's probably here. So we're going to try to go through this fairly quick. I apologize if I can't get the prices and all of that up, but I'll try to mention what I believe they were. So the first thing is nail art, and these are just little candies. I thought they were so cute, great for crafting. And then we have these. The quality of some of the items aren't that great, but literally I think I paid 89 cents for these on sale. So yeah, they're still usable, and I can always take some of the color off and repaint them. Some more little bears holding bunnies, and I really like these. And then we have these little nail art bears, and they're just clear with like an iridescent. These are my favorite. Look at how cute. They're little cat paw popsicles. Very, very cute. And we have a bunch of smiley face beads. I think these were 71 cents. I will try to put some of the photos of the items up on the screen, but this is a really cheap site, and I think I got free shipping. Yeah, I did get free shipping on everything. And then we have this, which is to make your own beads. Like, that is so cool. They are going to be kind of flat, like right here, but I think I paid 71 cents for that as well. Now, I believe this one was a little bit more, maybe 89 cents, but it is really cute, and I did buy the gate. It is kind of small, like as you can see, it's super tiny. I thought I could use it for miniatures, which I still can, but it is super small. These two were separate. I got one with horns. It's a cat, and it has like the fur texture. I just loved it. And then I got the one with 3 eyes. And I'll try to put a picture of this up because it's really hard to see these silicone molds because they are clear. And here is a little perfume bottle. Isn't that cute? Let's see. Let's look at some more of the silicone molds that we got. Oh, this is a koi fish. And I'll try to open some of these as well, but some of them, yeah, they're just packaged really good. And look at this one. It's like a self-defense thing. It's a kitty cat. Let me see if I can get this one open. It's a cat, but it looks like a self-defense, you know what I mean, thing. So let me get it out. Look at that. I guess you could put your fingers through here is what they were kind of hinting at on the website. This one was $1, I believe. And then we have some mushrooms. So these are great if you're a crafter and you have a small business. This is all the stuff that I use in my small business for making things to sell. And also I put some of these things in mystery boxes that I sell. Look at this popsicle. It's like my favorite. It's got like a bite taken out of it and drips. I apologize for all the crinkling. Look at the coffee cups. You get 2 of these, and I think this one was like $1.25 free shipping. And then of course, if you use the 30% off coupon, you're getting a really good deal. And then we have, let's see here. Oh, this is really cute. Let me open this one for you guys. This one I thought would be great for like dolls and for some of my badges. So it's a mirror and a comb. And this was 71 cents also. And then we have this mermaid tail. I think this one was 89 cents. I apologize if I'm not exact on the prices, and their prices change. So what you pay might not be what I paid, because they do go on sale for a few hours or a few days, and then they come off sale. Then we have this one. You get a bunch of letters. These are great for like keychains, and it is a silicone mold. This is like the cheapest place I found for silicone molds. Now this one's going to be hard for you guys to see, but it is a skull. Yeah, it's going to be impossible. I will definitely put a picture up of this one because it's hard to see. It is very tiny, but it is this little skull. So I'm excited to try that out. And look guys, we have a ton more of these to go. So let's go on to something else. So we're not just looking at silicone molds all day. So here we have, this one's wrapped up pretty good. So here we have some beads, I believe. Oh no, they're falling out. Okay. So they're just flat back pearls, and I'm just gonna stuff these right back in so they don't all fall out. But we have some flat back pearls, great for crafting. And I'm probably gonna have to move some of this stuff in a little bit because I'm sure it's gonna pile up quick. Pcs Charms. I thought these were stinking cute, and for my keychains these are going to be awesome. I think these were $1.98. Some of these were more expensive, which isn't really expensive. You go on Amazon, you're paying a lot more. So these are bees. I was hoping you could see them in the package. Let me take one out because they are super hard to see in here. These are really good quality. I would highly recommend their little metal charms. There it is. This is a little bee. And these were probably $1.19 or something like that because you do get quite a bit. And they are really good quality. Oh, and these are cute too. They're little bunnies in a polka dot dress. I love them. And if you guys want to buy any of my crafts, just let me know. I make a ton of different things, and also I do mystery boxes. These are just little stars and moons for nail art. I do have some nails that I'm gonna make and sell. And then we have some chains. These are just clear. They're great for keychains. And some butterflies. These bring me back to like the 90s, so I might do a 90s themed keychain. And these are little bubble girls. I believe these were 89 cents or 71 cents, but they're for nails. And then we have some more bunnies. I went a little crazy with the bunnies, so yeah, I got a lot of those. Some of them did come broken. I don't know if it's in this pack or not, but there's different ones. These were $1.24, I believe. All of it was under $2. These are really pretty. I think I paid 44 cents for these on sale. They're just like bead spacers, and they have like black iridescent, not iridescent, but black rhinestones. Those are going to be pretty in between beads. I love that. Sorry, I'm trying to move through this quick because I know you guys don't want to sit here all day. And then this wasn't a good deal. I paid 50 something cents for these. You only got 10, but then I found them on the site and you got 30 for like $1. So yeah, I ordered the 30 pack, but definitely look at the quantities because sometimes you'll find 10 for 50 cents and then 30 for $1. So yeah, definitely check out the quantities. These come with bears. There's little chicks in there, pandas, and bunnies. They're just little charms, and they already have the eye hook. I did order a drill too, so we'll test that out. But like I said, I will do a video on the silicone molds and show you how they look, and putting together some of my charm bracelets and my keychains and my badges so you guys can see. This is another thing I wouldn't really recommend unless you're really good at sizing beads, because I thought these were going to be a lot bigger. They look huge on the site, but then when you get them, they're small. but they were like 71 cents. So I can't really complain. They are really pretty. I got these that are matte. And then these are really pretty. They have like an iridescent to them. All right, let's look at some more of the silicone molds, and then we'll look at some other stuff. So this one is just a lollipop maker, and I wanted it for the small one, but if you make lollipops at home or you do resin art, these are great. And there's a spot for the stick as well. So there's that. And this is an earring making mold. There's stars, hearts, and a few others. Let me take this one out. It's really hard to see on camera. I know I paid a little over $1 for this one, but it was totally worth it. Sorry for all the crinkling. So this is what this one looks like. And it already has the holes. So perfect. And then you can make like pieces to go in between. So I really like this. So I do make earrings as well. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. And I definitely will be wearing some of them too. All right, a couple more silicone molds, and then we'll move on to something different. So we have an alien. Really cute. I want to say he was 89 cents. I mean, in the 80-70 cent range. This is a phone stand, but I thought also I can use it for like holding up some craft displays and stuff, or canvases. So I'm probably gonna market it as a canvas display. So yeah, I'm excited to get to crafting. Okay, let's look at something else for a minute. Let's see what we got back here. I've got tons of stuff, guys. Oh, look at this little pin. These were like 98 cents. It's just Gengar holding Ditto. What else do we have over here? Oh, more pins. This is all my pins. So look at this one. Call Me. These were all like 44 cents and 50 cents. Kitty in a basket. Okay, so I ran out of storage, but the next little pin was this cutie, and I believe he was 44 cents as well. So this is going to be it for part 1 of the Temu haul. Please come back for parts 2, 3, 4, and 5 because there's a ton more to go through. We still have nail art, jewelry, purses, all of that, and more of the silicone molds, beads, and just a ton more to go. So I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.